Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. Today we will talk about math and arithmetic operation in Python programming. At first, in this line, I write print, and between two parentheses, I write 3. What is the meaning of that line of code? That means I order or I want to print that number 3 on the screen. Let's try. This is the output 3 on the screen, and if I want to add 3 plus 2, it will print 5 addition operation. And if I want to write 3 subtract 2, the output is 1. This is the subtraction. And if I want to multiply 3 and 2, the output will be 6. And if I want to make divide by 3 divided by 2, the output is 1.5. And the power will be 3, 2 asterisk, and another number 2. 3, 2 asterisk 2, the output will be 9, as it 3 multiply 3. This is the power in Python programming. And that's it. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos, inshallah.